Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. So I'm Ahmad Hakimi from Group 1. Want to present you about this experiment. I will present this experiment is about how we want to check the efficiency of the heat exchanger by using the shell and tube heat exchanger parallel flow and counter flow using the overall heat efficiency and LMTD. So the problem of our heat exchanger is the TC1 is more than TC3 is because the chiller of the lab is broken. So we have three objectives. The first objective is we need to find U, and the second objective we need to calculate U for both flow types, that is parallel flow and counter flow, and to directly compare counter flow and the parallel flow. We use a lab scale shell and tube heat exchanger with water as both fluids. Flow rate was constant at 2 liters per minute. Temperatures were recorded at inlet and outlet every 5 minutes. So, the procedure, we ran for trials for each flow configuration, allowing steady state between readings. The only change was flow direction. All other conditions remain the same. We expect that we get the high value of U for the counter current flow at heat exchanger, so that higher U means higher heat transfer. That is the theory. Performance always depends on temperature, flow rate and others, but most importantly is the flow arrangement. That's why we conducted this heat exchanger experiment to configure that is counter flow heat exchanger or parallel flow heat exchanger, which is more better in the heat transfer. From our experiment, in conclusion, we have looked at the counter current flow if more heat transfer rather than parallel flow heat exchanger. So that's the counter flow is more efficient. That's all from me. Thank you.